Short stories in English. The Naked King. Long, long ago, there lived a very fancy king. The king changed his clothes 12 times a day. He loved nothing but new clothes. My clothes are the best in the world.
很久很久以前，有一个非常漂亮的国王。国王每天换12次衣服。他只喜欢新衣服。我的衣服是世界上最好的。
One day, 2 tailors heard about the king's hobby, and they planned a trick. Why don't we teach that stupid and extravagant king a lesson? He doesn't even worry about his starving people.
一天，2个裁缝听说了国王的爱好，并制定了一个计划。为什么我们不给那个愚蠢而奢侈的国王上一堂课呢？他根本不担心自己饥饿的百姓。
The 2 men went to see the king. Oh, the world's most marvelous king. We have brought the most beautiful cloth in the whole world.
2个人去见国王。世界上最伟大的国王，我们带来了全世界最美丽的布料。
However, not everyone is able to see the cloth. Those that tell lies and have bad hearts are not able to see this fine cloth.
但是，并不是每个人都能看得见这布料。那些说谎和心怀不轨的人，看不到这块好布。
After the king heard those words, he became very interested. Could there really be such a cloth?
国王听到这些话后，他变得非常感兴趣。真的有这么一块布吗？
If I can make clothes out of those cloths, my clothes will be the best in the whole world. Hurry and show me the cloth. The king began to get more and more greedy.
如果我能用这些布料做衣服，我的衣服将是全世界最好的。快点给我看一下。国王开始变得越来越贪婪。
The tailors pretended that the cloth was real, as they showed it to the king. The king and the servants could not see anything before them.
当他们向国王展示时，裁缝假装布料是真的。国王和仆人们在他们面前看不见任何东西。
But none of them could show that they could not see it. The king and his servants just looked at each other.
但是，他们没有任何一个人表明他们看不到他。国王和他的仆人们只是互相看着对方。
Then, the tailor quickly spoke in an arrogant manner. Well, is there no honest man here? How can you look at this beautiful cloth and not praise it?
裁缝随即以傲慢的态度说道：“好吧，这里没有诚实的人吗？你们怎么能看着这漂亮的衣服而不赞美它呢？”
Among the servants, one of them made a flattering comment out loud. Wow! This is the first time that I have seen such wonderful cloth.
在仆人中，其中一位大声奉承：“这是我第一次看到如此漂亮的布料。”
All the servants tried to be the first to praise the cloth. Then, the king was amazed by the beauty of the cloth too.
所有的仆人都试图成为第一个赞美布的人。然后，国王也对布的美丽赞叹不已。
The king gave the money and ordered them to make his clothes. For several days, the tailors pretended to be making the clothes.
国王给了钱，并命令他们做衣服。几天来，裁缝装扮在做衣服。
The king became worried and told one of his servants to go and see how the clothes were coming along.
国王很担心，并告诉他的一个仆人去看看衣服做得怎么样了。
The servant could not say how much the clothes had been completed. As hard as he looked, he could not see it.
仆人不知道怎么说，他很努力地去看，但是看不见。
But he could not say that he was unable to see it. Instead, he pretended to be amazed at how beautiful it was coming along.
他不能说自己看不到它，于是他假装对衣服的美丽感到惊讶。
A few days later, the tailors came back with the king's clothes. Here you are, try on these clothes.
几天后，裁缝们带着国王的衣服来了。衣服做好了，试穿下吧。
The king was not able to honestly say that he could not see the clothes. He, too, pretended to look over it.
国王不想诚实地说他看不到衣服，他也假装查看它。
One man said, "Your Majesty, let's go and show off these finest clothes in the world." The servants all agreed at the same time. Yes, that is a good idea.
一个人说：“陛下，让我们去炫耀下这世界上最好的衣服。”仆人都同意了。是的，那是个好主意。
The king walked out to the street proudly and walked with pride. All the people in the land came out to see the king's new clothes. They were all surprised, though.
国王自豪地走到大街上，很是骄傲。所有人都出来看看国王的新衣服，他们都感到惊讶。
Just then, a little girl shouted out, "Our king is naked." Then everyone said, "He's naked, he's naked."
就在这时，一个小女孩大喊：“我们的国王什么都没穿啊！”然后所有人都说：“是啊，他什么都没穿。”